a diffuser together. I had ordered the Dewdrop diffuser. So each diffuser will come with a manual, and you can look through that. There's the box. There's the cable for your diffuser. So this is the Dewdrop diffuser. And there it is. It's pretty awesome because they upgraded this diffuser to where there's the power button, there's the light button. So with the light button, you can actually change colors on this. It's so cool. It has 12 different colors. It has the candle flickering one, which is one of my favorites. I like to just put that on. There's the power button. The power, once you put it, the first button, when you click it, it's gonna be one that just shoots out the whole time, and it runs up to 4 hours, depending how much water is left in the diffuser. And if you push it again, it's gonna intermit, just shoot out every 30 seconds. And then when you click it again, it turns it off. So this particular diffuser actually turns off when it runs out of water, so it's one of my favorite ones. And then the light button, if you hold on to it, and if you're like a light sleeper and you don't like bright lights, you can press and hold the light button, and it'll actually turn off the light. The diffuser is running but without the light. Okay, so let's see, you open it up like so. I think all the diffusers have these pieces, so what I do is I just put it down and I actually stack them on top of each other, kind of like this. So you want to fill the water just below the red line, okay, to see how, if the smell is strong, if the scent is strong enough for you, or if it's too strong. So we recommend starting off with 1 or 2 drops of your oil, and then as you kind of get used to the oils, I recommend like 6 to 8 drops total. So if you're doing 2 different oils, I would do, like, I always love to diffuse thieves and lemon or citrus fresh, and I'll do 3 drops of each in the diffuser. And so that's the tip. So once you do that, you just put it back and just cover it back up and shift it back.